Here he comes up with the log splitter. Getting it over here to the shop so we can see if we can make heads or tails out of it. We'll fixing to get it going. Alright guys and gals, on this motor, on this log splitter, I'm not sure what condition it was parked in. So before I ever pull the rope to try to start it, I'm going to drop the bowl off of it. So if there's any gunk or corrosion or anything in the bowl, we can clean it out. Where if we try to crank it and see what it's going to do, then you're going to suck that gunk up in your jets and all that, and you're going to have to clean the whole carburetor. That usually works good for us. I don't think this motor's ever had gas in it, to be tell honest truth. I think my father-in-law put this motor on there and never used it, but we'll find out. The carburetor looks good. I'm not sure what you can see because I got the camera upside down. Just check the oil in it. The oil's good. We're going to add a little gas. And we're going to bring y'all along, see what this thing does for the first time we rope it. Oh, mercy. That ain't not coming out the carburetor, is it, Blake? Because I still got the bowl off. That should be more than enough to close that back up. You make me put my fingers in the gas. You got to be kidding me. I'll take you out of here. Let's cut the gas on. See if we get it. Alright. Let's put the bowl on it. Right here around the pump mainly, so nothing don't catch itself on fire. Alright. We're gonna turn the gas on. I think that's on. That should be choke. That there don't feel like it moves. There's a cable again. That's okay. Let's try it and see. Oh, mercy. Go over there and wiggle that gas linkage. Move it some. That's good. Just move it some. All right, there. Alright guys, we've messed with it a few minutes a while ago when we tried to crank it originally. I had the choke on, I cut the choke off, it fired right up. Put some hydraulic oil in it, and my son's been playing with it a little bit. We're gonna split one little piece here for you, but before we start tearing it apart. Guys, I just wanted to, he's been playing with it, splitting a little bit of stuff. It is slow, but it's working. So we're gonna tear down and get the parts off of it. Hey guys, I've been brainstorming here for a few minutes. I hate to demolish this log splitter and take it apart. So I'm toying with the idea of taking this apart, quick connect on it. Just like it's on the back of your tractors, on your hydraulic plug-in, on your auxiliary plugs. Do the same thing on the return. Then just park the log splitter semi-close to where you're going to rebuild. And then you can just plug your quick connects up to power the rebaler. Then we still got a log splitter if the demand, if we ever need it. Just a brainstorm that we thinking of, guys.